open your Shopify admin and then open the app missing fields finder from Shopify admin, and then go to sync page, and from this page click on synchronize button to sync the data on apps backend. Wait on this page until all the products get synced on apps backend. This number will blink on this page. This app is showing me that I have 2784 products in my Shopify store, and this number is blinking. It is telling me that how many products are already synced on my page. So wait until all the products get synced on the app's backend. So after it gets completed, then click on missing fields finder link from the left side menu bar to enter into the app. Now on this page you can see the main facilities available on this app. One is products with or without variants, another is missing duplicate records. I can also find zero inventory records from this app by clicking on the center button. I can find out missing SKU records. I can also find out missing barcode records. So right now these are the facilities. Let us enter into products with or without variant section. From this section on this page, I can find out that which product have the variants and which are the without variants. So here on this page, simple products means if there is no any variant of a product, then it is called a simple product, and if a product has at least one variant, then it is called a variant product. So let us sort out simple products from this page. I have sorted it, and now all the simple product list is visible on this page. If I will click on this view admin link, then I will go directly to the admin page of that product, and here I can see that this product has no any variant. So I have cross checked the list that this is giving me only simple products now. So let us sort out variant products now. So if I am clicking on this admin link to cross check the product, then I can see that this has at least one variant, so that's why it is sorted as a variant product. So after sorting out the products, a merchant can export the list of those products which are without any variant, and he or she can also export the list of variant products, the list of those products which have at least one variant. So this spreadsheet is giving me 1403 products, and app is also showing me that there are 1403 simple products. A merchant can delete those records which are not having any variant by clicking on this start delete button. The app is now deleting the simple products. It is up to merchant that if he wants to delete a simple products from his store, or if he wants to delete only variant products from the store, then he or she can do it from here. Now the products has been deleted. Let us cross check it here. See, it is showing me there is no product at this address now, because app has already deleted these products. If I am clicking on this link, then also I can cross check that it is showing me there is no product at this address now. So come back to the dashboard of missing field finder and enter into missing description section. Here it is showing me no records because I don't have any product right now which is without any description. Let us enter into product section from the Shopify admin and make description of a product as an empty field. So I am opening this product, and then I am deleting this description completely from this page, and then I am saving it. Now this product has no description, and the app should show me this product. Let us come back to app. Now I have to resync the data because I have modified my one product from the store. So I have erased and now I am resyncing the data. And after completing the sync process, again I am going back to the same page, the missing description records page. Now I can see the app is showing me this product, the product which has no description in my admin section. So see, if I am opening that product link, I can see this is the same product which was erased, description of which was erased by me. So this page is showing me that list of products which is without any descriptions, and a merchant can delete those records easily from here which are without any descriptions. So if I am checking this page again now by refreshing it, then I can see it is showing me there is no product at this address because app has deleted that product which was without any description. So let us now come back to dashboard, and from this section I can find out zero inventory records. So a merchant can sort out the list of those records which are zero inventory records. A merchant can delete all those records from here as well. Okay, so I am refreshing this page. A merchant can export the list of those records which are out of stock. Now this is the list of all those products which is out of stock now. So it is showing me 2486 products, and here also it is showing me 2486 records. So in the same way, a merchant can find missing SKU records. He or she can find out missing barcode records. Open